Hello and welcome back to Lone Wolf 368. Today we're covering more tech news. I'm bringing you an exclusive insights into the upcoming Google Photos video editor, revealed through a recent APK teardown by Android Authority. The teardown highlights a completely redesigned video editing experience within Google Photos. Built on Google's Material 3 expressive design, the interface now feels visually refreshing, modern and more intuitive. The playback timeline is now oversized, using a vertical line instead of the old circular scrub icon. Sliders and icons adopt soft, pill-shaped outlines for a cleaner, more ergonomic look. Instead of textual save, copy or cancel buttons, you'll now see a check mark and an X icon for quick actions. Video flipping. Easily reverse your recordings horizontally or vertically, ideal for selfies or creative effects. You can now overlay tracks or pick up background audio right inside the editor. What's improved under the hood? This update follows a major revamp of Google's image editor earlier in the year, and the video side is catching up fast. The new layout reorders tools into better structured categories like actions, filters, auto markup, lighting and colour. The built-in search bar makes locating features easier than ever. What it means for users, it's more intuitive UI and streamlined controls, faster editing and less fumbling. Built-in music support simplifies video enhancements without needing another app. Visual feedback like clearer slider controls and icons helps you see the edits in real time. These features are currently hidden within the app's code version 7.39 and yet not officially released. Google may roll out this to Android users once broader testing completes. Sample voiceover script for your video. Android Authority just teased a new video editor in Google Photos via APK teardown. Early builds show a sleek timeline, clearer sliders, and even flip videos or add music. All using the newer Material 3 style UI, it's bound to streamline mobile video effects once it launches. Why it matters? The smart editing tool becomes more accessible. This signals Google's push towards a more powerful multimedia experience in photos. The unified design language across photo and video tools creates a smoother editing workflow for users. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, hit the like and subscribe button for the latest on hidden app features and early tech previews. Let me know in the comments which editing features would you most like to see in Google Photos. Can I ask you to like, share and subscribe to the channel, as it does make a big difference and helps me to create more videos. Thanks again to all my subscribers.